Good morning, grade 2. Ngayon i-explain ko lang yung Gresham method in multiplication. So, for example, James gave marbles to his 4 friends. Each of his friends received 5 marbles. How many marbles did he give in all? So, in Gresham method, alam ko na na-discuss na natin to in addition and subtraction. Now, we will discuss it in multiplication. So, the given, again, you can find it in the statement. So, you have there 4 friends and 5 marbles each, which you can find here sa ating situation, problem situation. So, ang required, o ano ba ang hinahanap? So, ang hinahanap natin is yung total number of marbles. At ano naman yung ating equation? Siyempre, multiplication, it can be in a form like this. 5 times 4 is equal to question mark. And then yung solution natin, ilang 5 marbles ba yung pinagbigyan niya? So, yung 4 friends ang binigyan niya. And then yung lahat ng 4 friends niya, binigyan niya ng tig-5 marbles. Kaya, ang nangyari, naging siyang 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. Or you can use this, 5 times 4 is equal to 20. So, ang ating answer is, James gave 20 marbles in all. That's it for today. Thank you.